that'll last over.
Hey, here's a great little running motor. This happens to be a 350 Oldsmobile. Again, Performance Unlimited. We custom build everything. If I could go over this build real quick with you, I think you're going to really enjoy it. We started out with a 350 block. We decked it, we line honed it, and bored it 30 over. We put oil restrictors in the main, some Cleveite bearings, and then we hand fitted it with a cut crankshaft and some ARP main bolts. Finished it off with a hydraulic roller, some tie bar lifters. Again, all good pieces. ARP bolts, took the heads apart, put some springs on there, put some Manley push rods, stainless steel rockers, MSD distributor, and the Holly Sniper fuel injection system. Again, this is what you call custom building. Again, we don't skip anything. When it comes to quality, we try to do our best on the budget we can work with. If you're interested in any one of our builds, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. We got your 1969 Olds Cutlass engine here. 350 Olds EFI with you got the Holly Sniper on here.
Got the Holly Sniper. Yep.
Go for it, man. Fire it up.
Okay.
How nice that thing starts. Is that nice?